This is the Bosch GEX 125150 AVE Professional Random Orbit Sander. Random orbit sanders work by combining an orbital motion with rotation of the disc. This has two big advantages. First, it generates much faster stock removal, and secondly, because the disc is now rotating in an elliptical fashion, it cannot travel the same path more than once. So you don't get the regular circular scratches of a conventional orbit sander. The orbit length on this tool is 4 mm. The motor is a powerful 400 watts with electronic speed control, which allows you to select the perfect stroke speed whatever the application. So slow it down for delicate sanding jobs like edges or veneered surfaces, or for polishing applications, or speed it up for fast stock removal on rough surfaces. The selected speed can be locked on using the button on the trigger for fatigue-free working. An integrated brake slows down the sanding pad when you switch off, so you can put it down quickly. The most impressive feature of this sander is its low level of vibration. The patented Bosch damping system, where the body is completely decoupled from the pad, means that it has the lowest vibration level for any sander in this class, less than 2.5 meters per second. Along with the soft cushioned rubber grips, this generates less fatigue in the user and means the tool can be used for long periods before exceeding legal exposure limits. The GEX is therefore much more productive and can be safely used on a continuous basis. It's light enough to be used comfortably on vertical surfaces. The decoupled pad also ensures it's always applying even pressure. The tool is available in either 240 volts or 110 for site use. The GEX is supplied with two different size soft sanding pads, one 150mm diameter and also a smaller 125mm version. You're also supplied with another 150mm disc with 8+1 dust extraction holes for use with different makes of abrasive disc. The pads are Velcro backed to make it quick to fit and remove discs. To line up the holes in the disc with those on the pad, fold it in half through two opposite holes, locate these over the slots, and then just open out the disc. Dust collection is excellent on this sander thanks to the Bosch microfilter dust box. This is cylindrical, making it very easy to fit and, more importantly, easy to empty without spilling the contents, as the dust is held back with an internal baffle. The filter cartridge can be removed for cleaning, and with the box being translucent, you can see exactly when it needs emptying. Even though the dust collection is far better than any other similar tool, for the most efficient dust control, you can remove the dust box and connect the GEX directly to a vacuum extractor. The sander is currently supplied in an L box, along with the two spare pads and the auxiliary front handle. All these features, coupled to a huge choice of specialist sanding discs for a range of materials, combine to make the GEX an impressive sander for the trade user, whether for use on wood, paint, metal, filler and fiberglass, or stone and ceramics. It produces a high quality finish, but can also remove stock very quickly depending on the type of disc that's fitted. Its comfort is unrivaled, particularly with regard to vibration and dust collection, and the range of pads and discs makes it amazingly flexible. This is definitely a trade tool, proudly made in Switzerland, a sander for professionals. And remember, if you register your tool online, the guarantee is extended to 3 years. The Bosch GEX 125150 AVE Professional Random Orbit Sander. Dust collection is excellent on this sander thanks to the Bosch microfilter dust box.